Hey guys, welcome back to Mom's channel. So if you're seeing me, you probably can already guess what we're gonna be doing. And if you don't, here it is, Nadine West. So if you're new here, thank you for stopping over by our channel. Nadine West is an online clothing store. You go on there, you take a little test. It asks you questions about things that you like, what are your colors, styles, sizes, all that kind of cool stuff. And then they will send you stuff depending on what you picked. And hoping that you'll like it, you'll, get it and grab it and, go show the world out there how cool and awesome we people can look. That's right. And if you don't like anything, there is, and I'm going to show you in just a minute, there's a return label that you can stick on the front of your bag and you can mail it right back. And just know there is a time limit. So if you want to send anything back, you got to make sure you go within the deadline. Trust me, guys, it will save you a bunch. But let's go ahead and get in this bag. We didn't do an Nadine West for October. We are sorry for you October people who are looking forward to it. But it's November now. We have 2 bags, so you're getting twice the cool, twice the fun, twice the style. And let's get into it. I'm trying to be as cool as Mom. It's not always. These bags are much easier to open now. Alright, so when you open your bag, you get these little bundles, these little pink bundles with the Nadine West logo on it, wrapped in pink tissue paper. And they send dresses, pants, shirts, sometimes, during like cold winter stuff, they'll send like scarves or mittens or something like that. Here's our other bundle. And here is your label. This side tells you everything you got and how much it is. Tell you what kind of clothing you got and like its color and its pattern and all that. And if you flip it over, like I said earlier, you get your return label. You're just going to stick it on the front here and you're going to mail it back. Remember, they have a due date on these. Yeah, they normally have a due, oh, actually it might be on here. Send it within the due date and you'll be just fine. And so let's see what we have in this bag. We have 2 tops, 2 bottoms, a dress, and a bracelet. And it says rose gold. That's actually my favorite jewelry color. I love rose gold. So let's see what we can do. This one's already kind of open, so we're gonna open this one first. All right, we'll get to that in a second. Alrighty, guys. I feel like it's holding small paper. All right, guys. So I think this is one of the tops. Guys, this is so cute. Now that I'm looking at it, look at this. You guys see that? I have another Nadine West shirt that has this kind of pattern right here. You see with like the little circles and stuff. Literally, it's in my closet. I haven't worn it yet, and it has no sleeves. So I'm like, oh man, do I really want to wear it now with the cold coming on? Look at this. Bingo! It even has it on the sleeves. Look at that. So now I have an alternative. I have a little thing. This is gonna be great. Y'all, look at that. Oh, this is one of the pants. This actually looks really nice. You should see this. This looks great. So here are the pants. And do you guys see this? Do you see these? Look at that on the side of the pants. I know, right? So fancy. It's on the other side too. So kind of like a jegging thing. They have the pocket decorations, decoration pockets, whatever you want to call them. It means they're not real. These are real. But they got real pockets on the back here, and you can stick your wallet or phone in there. I like this though. That looks crazy. Look, y'all. All right, here's our next bundle. See what we got here. I think this is the dress. Looks kind of long. Yeah, it's gotta be a dress. Looks long. All right, y'all. Here is the dress. It actually is pretty long. It's really, really long. It's kind of like one of those. Oh my. Look like mom when I did that. Y'all, look at this. I was just looking at the dress. I wish I could hold it a little bit better. And it has like a split leg. You know, when you split the dress and you see the leg? It's like that. And it also has long sleeves, you know, get ready for that winter. Y'all, is that crazy? You're gonna try that on. This is probably another shirt. I like the color on this. Kind of like, you know, that toothbrush minty color, you know, like toothpaste. But look at this, y'all, and it's so flowy. Don't y'all love it? And you should see the bottom. It's, what is it? Low in the front, longer in the back. I love stuff like that. Also still long. Oh, it's just 3/4 length. But y'all, look at that. And it's just plain. That's where your accessories come in. Or you can wear like pants. Like very stylish pants to go with this. And here's the other bottom. Diamond honey. Ooh. And these are just like some regular pants. Kind of stretchy up here with the elastic. If you guys see that. And it came with the bracelet. Any jewelry you get comes in these tiny little pink drawstring bags. Fancy. And you guys know I love pink. It's my favorite color. So I do like these bags. It's a rose gold bangle bracelet. You put it on your wrist with a whole bunch of other bracelets and they do that jingling thing. Y'all, look at that. You see that? Isn't that pretty though? Just want to make sure I can get it on my wrist. All right, y'all. That was the first bag. Here's the second bag. All right. Again, a list of everything that you have. And return packing slip. Thank you. So, and here we have 2 tops, 2 bottoms, a dress, and a necklace. And this time it is silver. So, see what we have? Again, come in the pink tissue paper with the logo. Mom always feels bad about ripping it open, but that's the fun part. Then you get to see what's inside. It's kind of like a Christmas present. Whoa, y'all. Whoa, whoa. Y'all, I don't even know what this is. Okay, this looks like this could be like the dress all in one. I don't know, it's just something. It is the dress all in one. It got its own little bag. Y'all. Now you might want to iron this, I think, but look at that. It's like a dark green, kind of almost like a, you know, getting into like olive. It says olive on the back. And look at that sleeve you see here, the bunched up sleeve. Yep. It's also got it here around the waist. And look, just look at that. I know, y'all, crazy. It got its own bundle. So that's the dress. I got 3 bundles, y'all. 3 bundles. Feel lucky today. Okay. In this one, we got these are the pants. One pair of pants. Oh yeah, look, it's like the little jogger stuff. Little jogger pants. Or like genie pants. And they come up here. They wrap around your ankles. They look like genie pants, but they're kind of just like regular. And these are navy. I like navy colors. They're kind of like, that's like my second favorite color, I think, navy. This I think is a shirt. They're really doing good with this on paper and stuff, y'all. Trying to see where this came from. Okay, where's the top? Here we go, y'all. Okay, we get a lot from, what is it? Zanana? Premium. We got a lot of clothes from them. They have great stuff, y'all. So it's just a regular black dress, 3/4 length, good collar, and we got like, you could tie a little like knot here up in the front at the bottom of your shirt. It's kind of in like, it's like on the side, you know, those cute little knot things you can make. And on to our third bundle, because we got a third one. All right, we'll do jewelry last. There's some more pants, and now that I'm looking at them, they could be like the pants I got last time. Wow, y'all. You see that? So, very stretchy, just regular pants. They have the high-waisted here. You see that? High waist. My mom and I, we like these kind. We think they're really good. Okay, I was like, I hope they have a tag on so we can put it on the right way. But this is where, you know, this is where you can always jazz things up with a nice patterned shirt, accessories, earrings, you know, jewelry, hair pieces, that kind of stuff. That's where you get the people like, wow. All right, and here's our last clothing item, is this shirt, kind of like a coral peach, you know, kind of thing. Again, Zanana signature now. They give us a lot of great stuff. We have a lot of their things. And look here at the bottom, y'all. Y'all see that crochet? Don't you love that? Roses. You can tell it's roses. I love that. That's so cute. And it's short sleeve, but I love it. And last but not least, the necklace again, little pink drawstring bag. Uh-oh. All right, y'all. Wow. Oh, this is interesting. Look at that. Do you see that, y'all? It's like a leaf with like a gem, you know? This little, my mom actually has something like this, but I don't think she has it. You guys like it? All right, you guys, so I have reviewed all the clothes. We're gonna go try some stuff on and see what you guys think. Hey guys, I'm back now. So you saw all the clothes. Comment down in the comments which outfit did you think that you liked the best, which one you think I really pulled off. I will go ahead and admit there were a lot of clothes. And it was just because there were 2 bags this time and because I was doing it by myself because mom's working. But you know, I have fun. I made it work. Jackson behind the camera and he does weird things, y'all. Don't worry, you will not be seeing those in the video. I'm just gonna go ahead and just briefly be like, yes, I loved all the clothing. There was this one piece of clothing. What was really my style, but hey, listen, I know someone who I can pass it off to. And I know I didn't show any of the jewelry again. Jewelry is not kind of really my thing. I can do like the earrings, but I'm pretty much it. I'm more like for the gloves and hair accessories. That's kind of my thing, not really bracelets and necklaces and all that. But that's just me. Everybody's different. I do enjoy doing these things for you guys, and I know you guys enjoy seeing all the cool, cute things that we get from LiQWYD. They are an amazing company. We hope you guys go online and you take the little test and you know you get some things too. They have some great great, amazing pieces, and hoping you guys will love them. But for now, guys, that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe and don't forget to hit the little bell, that way you never miss an upload from us. And give all thumbs up. Listen, everybody who watches this video, give us a thumbs up, all right? We don't really like thumbs down, but you know, you could just be, you know, so hypnotized with everything that you accidentally hit the thumbs down button. We all get there. Just unthumb it and give us a thumbs up. Okay, guys, these are all awesome. You know, share this video too. You want to get out there. We're trying to get some new subscribers, and we are thankful for the old subscribers who have been here, the true fans who have been all around, and we're thankful for you guys who are just joining. You know, we love each and every one of you. You all mean so much to us. And until we see you guys in another video, bye now.